Hello everybody, it's Hugo Forster again. We just finished the most amazing pipelining job on the top of a 100-story roof building up here. It's really scary, 100 feet up. The trouble they were having, they have 100-foot long rain stacks bringing the rain gutter water down to the bottom floor. And about 50 years ago when they built this building, they used these silly connectors. The cast iron here would connect to PVC over here, and this fitting would go inside PVC, and they used bad glue to make this fitting. So every time it rained, these fittings inside people's roofs 10 stories high would leak and flood their apartments. It took us 1.5 days to line 500 feet of these things. Nobody had to leave their office, their rooms, their condos. And let me show you what they look like over here. This is a pipe we just relined. We haven't cut off the excess material, but if you look on the inside of the pipe, you'll see it's nice and round and smooth. And when we cut off this excess, there'll be a perfect pipe. You can come over here and look at this pipe. Follow me. You can't even see the inside of this pipe very well, but there's a smooth, brand new liner going 100 feet straight into the ground. Actually, these took two 90-degree bends, and we relined this pipe. It took us 3 hours to cure the liner, and nobody had to move out. It cost a quarter as much as it would have taken to do it the old-fashioned plumbing way. And we did it in 3 hours, not 3 days. Actually, if you did this the old-fashioned way, it takes 1 day per floor to take out the cast iron and the drywall, to put back the cast iron and the drywall, and then to clean up the carpets and replace the tile that was on the wall, if you can even find it. So give us a call. We'd love to look at your job.